All right, so I've dug a lot of this hole already, which is going to be the eventual ice house. And the goal of this is to explore whether I can keep ice from the winter into the summer. And so basically it's gonna be a 10-month process and video. I didn't have a tripod because I'm not a YouTuber, but I bought a tripod. And so now I will try to show some of my work, proof of work, as they would say in Bitcoin. All right, should be pretty boring from here on out. Taking a little break because one of my daughters has chosen to relieve me. She's filling up that bucket, making my life real easy, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna order our shop.
I don't know if her mom's gonna like me letting her do that in a dress and her nice school shoes. So just try not to get too dirty, Pegs, right?
Okay. Can I have some of this? Look at this.
Oh man, that's a heavy one.
Watch out. No, he did find a pipe.
Yeah, cool, right?
So, okay. So, what are we doing with this?
Okay, so this is a great question. The plan is to
Make a nice house.
not go deeper than this, go wider, put in like some insulation, and then put in like a big cooler that like is airtight, or like an airtight plastic box. And then fill it with maybe a little more insulation, like a little, just, styrofoam. And then, yeah, in the winter when it's really cold, leave out Tupperwares. Leave out like Tupperwares or plastic things that freeze into ice, and then when they freeze into ice, like those ingots, like we like put them into the thing. Maybe either like buy one of those old ice boxes off of online, right? And we could actually like bring the ice cubes out. When you're like chisel them out, bring them in there and like keep some of our food cold, right? And like we can do that, right? Maybe like through May or something or June, maybe that'd be neat. Or store stuff in here.
That's not poison ivy.
And yeah, this is the future video here that we're on. I think it's wide enough in the front, and then the goal is to get
Let me
like
get the glass and get rid of the glass.
3.5 foot thing, but 3.5
There's
foot
no
thing.
glass on.
We want,
It's not glass.
so the Amish build these above ground, and they actually have these 20-inch styrofoam blocks, and they just build frame houses, put in 20-inch styrofoam blocks, and then they like freeze ice in the winter, and they put it in, and that's how they keep all their stuff cold.
No, you won't.
Like, why not try it? Isn't it better than buying a farm somewhere and me going there?
Are you a chicken box?
All right, so a couple of learnings is that the bucket is super helpful because once you get down a little bit, it just gets really frustrating to keep on bending over, doing that full range of motion all the time with the shovel. So probably could have done that on my first dig once I got about 2-3 feet down, is get one of these buckets and just fill it up and then do one big lift at a time instead of lots of little lifts. And then this also helps with the kids. So if the kids come back, they get really frustrated really fast if they have to keep on lifting dirt out, but you give them a little shovel and a bucket and they keep on filling it up. So I think that we'll be able to make some progress this week, right, James?
Yeah, this is
After school, you come back and you'll fill up a bucket once or twice, right?
Should we keep on working?
I think so. Yeah, we got some more daylight. I'm gonna turn this off though.